Namaste. I'm very happy to be with you today and bring you an update. So I previously have recorded how week 1, week 2, and week 3 went at yoga teacher training. I have since graduated, moved on, and even done a sound healing course, but I thought I should probably tell you how week 4 went. So week 4 with yoga teacher training for me was by far my most intense emotional week. It was like everything had boiled up to the surface and was now being processed. And so my first few weeks were really pretty chill and tranquil. And then in the 4th week, I had an emotional time where we did some eye gazing and I couldn't stop crying. It was really more to deal with some personal things. I was just really missing my husband that has passed that day and was processing a lot of those emotions. It was also a deep practice of looking into the other person's eyes and acknowledging that they have pain and suffering as well. And so I was just in a vulnerable state and it happened to amplify it. And then I think just feeling more pressure within myself and the course. In this last week, I knew that we had to do plan and prepare and give our class to the whole group and have, a teacher sitting in the back writing down notes and the Swami sitting in the back writing down notes. And some of the feedback a person had already gone was quite intense. I mean, they were really giving a lot of feedback and I was thinking, oh geez, questioning my Sanskrit, my memory, my ability to recall information.
7. Effort 6. 4. 3. 2. 1. And hold for 10. 9. 8. 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In addition to that, we had to prepare for the final exam. So we had to be prepared to recall all the information we had been learning over the past 4 weeks and bring it to bear, write out long answers, know the different obstacles that we have within our lives and how to overcome them and, many different things. And we've learned so much that I was feeling overwhelmed and I felt my inner child question my own abilities. I felt that maybe I wouldn't be able to recall the information. I was worried, I was stressed. I was surprised how stressful actually the training course was near the end. But that's also me, and a lot of other people felt that way too. Though it was a lot of pressure to bring everything that you've learned up to bear and to know it and recall it and now integrate it. So it felt a little overwhelming or very overwhelming. I even I cried. I did some yoga nidra just to calm down, and then I went into nature a couple times and even called on my spirit guides for the most part. One beautiful thing I did throughout the course was dedicate my course to Gerald, to my spirit guides, to different as I wished. But near the end, I did call on them for a little bit of help. When I took my test, I had my crystals. I was praying. I was like, just help me get through this. And then, you know what? It ended up being all for naught. When I taught the class, it went fantastic. When I took the test, it went better than I imagined. And I did have that information within me. I did have the ability to lead a great class, and so did everyone else. So I think there was a lot of, maybe a big lesson there is not to worry so much and waste energy on doubting yourself. And this can be applied, whether it's a yoga teacher training course, whether it's giving a talk, whether it's making a video, whether it's writing a book, whether it is just anything in your day-to-day life. Sometimes we question our own abilities and don't trust in faith, don't trust in a higher power, don't trust in grace, and don't trust in ourselves and our own personal power. So that was probably my biggest lesson. One of the greatest rewards of the whole course was the people. I did my first 200-hour teacher training online, and so my 300-hour teacher training was completely different. It was in an ashram in India, fully immersed, and the people were amazing. By the end of the course, we got to meet our soul family. I'm so grateful for the experience to have practiced in India, to have had the stars align for us all to meet, to know one another. Thank you to Divine Yoga Academy for holding this space for us all, for Swami for your patience and wisdom, and for teachers like Dilwar and Anuj for pushing us to new heights in our practice, for Mandeep for philosophy, and to the kitchen staff for the delicious food, and to every other soul that worked there and made this dream a reality. Thank you to each soul and student that showed up to do the work, to be vulnerable, to learn, and to grow as a group. I do believe that everything happens for a reason, that things happen in the right time for us all. And it was by no chance that this group came together, that all of these beautiful souls got to connect on such a deep level and create such a magical friendship and yoga family. Yoga came into my life in 2008 during a hard time, and it has helped me since then lead to greater paths and has always been there for me. It changed my life and continues to support me, to hold me. I trust yoga has the power to do the same for you. This beautiful yoga family all shared, grew, and learned together, and now we have the great honor and joy to teach yoga to the community, to help aid in the process of union, of yoking, of combining our lower self with our higher self. We all have a unique magical energy within us, me and you listening to this video, you watching this video. Shine forth and spread your light. Stay true to your path and to your higher calling. Thank you so much for watching this video, for sharing your energy, and for being here. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed these series. I'll see you soon. Namaste. The divine spirit within me recognizes and honors the divine spirit within you.